Okay, so this is another video covering setting up a new formula because this is a faster way to do it. So the first video that I showed was creating one from manually, like adding the variables in one step at a time. This way, I'm going to show you how you can quickly get a pricing formula added for almost any service you can imagine. So I did house washing in a previous video under the formulas page or the formula section. In this one, I'm going to do, let's say, roof cleaning. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this quick draft section, and right here you're going to describe the service, and I'm going to give you the best way to do it. So start by saying what the service is. So let's do roof cleaning for this example. So let's say roof cleaning, and then I'm going to say ask for the height of the house, material of the roof, height of the house, material of the roof, number of stories, multiple choice, and then the slope of the roof. Okay, and now let's generate the formula, and I'll show you what this comes up with. So this is a blank form, there's no variables whatsoever, and now you'll see the variables have been added. It's asking for the height of the house, material of the roof, number of stories, and slope of the roof, just like we asked. Now, when you do this, one of the core things you're going to be editing is the formula expression. So you can see how it likes to build out the formula. I personally like to do it almost all multiplication based, but in this example, you're taking the house height, multiplying it by 2, and this visual guide sometimes makes it a bit easier. Then we're adding the roof material, adding number of stories, and then we're multiplying that by 50 per number of stories, and then taking the roof slope. So number of stories, you got 1 story, 2 stories, and 3 stories. And what this quick editor does is it just makes it much easier to get it started. Now it's easier, instead of starting with a blank screen where you have to build it from scratch, you can start building, building with, you have something to work with. It's a little bit easier to get you started. Some people prefer this, but I wanted to make this video and add it and show you how to get it started. And you also can edit each of these formulas here. So let's say, here we got low slope, medium slope, high slope. If you had like 6 different options, you could come in here and explain the 6 different options. I like to use voice to type. It makes it a lot faster and easier. But I wanted to cover that because this is one thing that you can use to make building the formula much, much easier.